In this guide, you'll learn how to watch someone's Instagram story anonymously. The first method is to swipe and view from adjacent stories. Instead of tapping directly on the story you want to watch, swipe left or right gently to the story just before the one you are interested in. Be quick and don't swipe all the way through to avoid being registered as a viewer. Once you have seen what you wanted, swipe back to the right to return to the original story list. This way, the story won't show as viewed. The second method is to switch off the internet temporarily or turn on airplane mode. First, switch off your internet or put your phone in airplane mode. Then, open the Instagram app, go to Story section and choose the story you want to view. You can view the story without leaving any visible traces, but keep in mind that you can only view a few stories as Instagram can't preload all of them. After viewing, close the app, turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data again and you are all set. The third method is for desktop users who can install the Ghost Viewer Easy Story extension. Open a new tab in your Chrome browser and search for Ghost Viewer Easy Story extension. Once you add it to your browser, make sure it's enabled. Then go to your Instagram account, open the story you want to view and the person want to know you have seen it, and that's it. Now you know 3 ways to view Instagram stories anonymously. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.